Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about systems or solving systems of linear equations by addition or elimination method. Okay, so the elimination method, this is another method that can be used to solve systems of equations, is called the addition or elimination method. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to multiply both equations by numbers that will allow you to combine the two equations and eliminate one of the variables. Okay, so let's have example. Solve the following system of equations using the elimination method. So first equation is 6x minus 3y equals negative 3. And the second equation is 4x plus 5y equals negative 9. So, ang gagawin natin dito, mag-multiply tayo sa first equation at saka second equation. So, ano yung i-multiply natin dito? So, we have to multiply both sides of the first equation by 5. And the second equation is by 3. Okay? So, itong first equation, multiply natin siya by 5. Ito yung second equation, multiply din natin by 3. Para maka-eliminate tayo. Okay? So, first equation is 6x minus 3y equals negative 3. So, nag-multiply tayo both sides. So, si 5 multiply natin, o si 6x minus 3y multiply natin by 5. Okay? See this equation, ito si first term and second term, si 6x minus 3y multiply natin by 5. And equals si negative 3 multiply din natin by 5. Both sides. Pagkatapos nyan, i-distribute natin 5 times 6x, that is 30x. Tapos 5 times negative 3y, that is negative 15y. And 5 times 3 or negative 3 is negative 15. Okay? So, ngayon, yung second equation naman. Yung second equation, i-multiply natin both sides by 3. So, yung second equation is 4x plus 5y equals negative 9. Okay? So, multiply natin both sides. So, 3 times 4x plus 5y equals 3 times negative 9. Okay? Multiply natin both sides by 3. Then, i-distribute na naman sila. 3 times 4x, that is 12x. Tapos, 3 times 5y, that is 15y equals negative 27. So, 12x plus 15y equals negative 27. Pagkatapos dito, i-combine natin itong dalawang equation. Ito yung first equation at saka yung second equation. So, 30x minus 5y equals negative 15 at saka 12x plus 15y equals negative 27. Okay? Combine the two resulting equations para ma-eliminate natin yung variable na y. Ayan, ito yung first, ito yung second. So, pag combine natin dito, i-add natin si 30x plus 12x. I-add natin yan, so the result is 42x. Ito, si negative 15y at saka positive 15y, i-cancel natin yan. Kasi 0 ang labas niyan. Si negative 15, i-add natin kay negative 27, so that is negative 42. We have to copy their common sign and then add. So that's why nagiging negative 42 yan. Pagkatapos, i-divide natin both sides. Si 42x equals negative 42. Divide natin yan by 42, both sides. So, cancel. So, yung x natin dyan is negative 1. Okay? Negative 1 yung x. Ngayon, yung negative 1, yung value na x, i-substitute natin yan or i-substitute the value of x into one of the original equation. Yung original equation natin kanina, yung first equation, yung sa original, isa. Okay, ito yung first equation, 6x minus 3y equals negative 3. So, i-substitute natin yung value ng x na negative 1. So, yung x dito, palitan natin ng negative 1 yan. So, magiging 6 times negative 1 minus 3y equals negative 3. Or replace the x value in the first equation. So, times natin, 6 times negative 1, that is negative 6, minus 3y equals negative 3. Okay? Pagkatapos, i-transpose natin yan si negative 6 to the right. Okay? So, magiging, that is negative 3, transpose natin si positive 6 to the right, magiging, si negative 6 to the right, so magiging positive 6. So, the result is 3. So, that is 3y, negative 3y equals negative 3. Transpose natin ito, magiging plus 6. Diba? So, negative 3y equals positive 3. Ngayon, since negative yan, divide naman natin by negative 3 by negative 3. So, the value of y is negative 1. Okay? Uy, sorry. So, yun ang value ng y. So, unsa man eh? Utang higit. Sorry. ako ang baba, sorry. So, yung value ng y is negative 1. Divide natin both sides by negative 3. Ngayon, our computation have produced the point. X is negative 1. Katawa ko sa baba. Y is negative 1. The record pa yun. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin dito, i-check natin ito. Okay, check natin yan. X is negative 1, y is negative 1. Check the point in the original equation. So, yung first equation natin, 6x minus 3y equals negative 3. Di ko ka-get over. So, palitan natin yung value ng x at saka value ng y. Itong x is negative 1 at saka y is negative 1. So, 6 times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3. Okay? Simplify natin ba? Negative 6 minus negative 3 times negative 1, that is positive 3. So, equals negative 3. So, negative 3 equals negative 3. So, therefore, this is true or correct. Yung second equation, 4x plus 5y equals negative 9. So, palitan naman natin ng value ng x ng negative 1 at saka yung y is negative 1. So, yung result niya is 4 times negative 1 plus 5 times negative 1 equals negative 9. So, simplify. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So, positive 5, multiply natin kay negative 1, that is negative 5 equals negative 9. So, i-combine natin yan. So, that is negative 9 equals negative 9. So, this is true or correct. Okay, so ito lang yung topic natin ngayon. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page na Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless.